Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 4. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we're addressing a common issue, a cracked screen on your Surface Pro 4. This can happen due to accidental drops or impacts, and if left unfixed, it can lead to further damage, including touch functionality loss and internal component issues. It's crucial to act swiftly to avoid escalating the problem. For this repair, you will need a heat gun, a suction cup, a plastic spudger, a small Phillips screwdriver, and a replacement screen. Begin by ensuring your device is powered down completely. Next, carefully apply heat around the edges of the screen to soften the adhesive. Once heated, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen at one corner. Be cautious not to use excessive force, as this can damage the internal components. Once you have a gap, insert the plastic spudger to gently pry the screen away from the body. As you do this, keep an eye out for any connected cables. The common failure point is often the digitizer connector, which can be located at the bottom of the screen assembly. Once you have the screen separated, carefully disconnect the digitizer cable and any other connectors by lifting them straight up. When you have the cracked screen removed, it's time to fit the new one. Start by connecting the digitizer cable to the new screen, ensuring it clicks into place. Then, align the screen with the device body and press it down gently to secure it. Remember to replace any screws you removed earlier, tightening them just enough to hold the components in place without over-torquing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is secured, power on your Surface Pro 4 to check its functionality. Make sure the touch screen works correctly and that there are no gaps between the screen and the body. If everything is functioning as expected, you can finish by applying some pressure around the edges to ensure a good seal. To prevent this issue from happening again, consider using a protective case or screen protector for your Surface Pro 4. Additionally, always be mindful of where you place your device to avoid accidents. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.